Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to do an unboxing of some gardening supplies that I got from Bootstrap Farmer. Couldn't think of the name of it. This is my first time ordering for them. I saw somebody else with them on YouTube, and I was like, I want to try those. I wanted to get green. They didn't have green. My second favorite color is orange, so I got some orange stuff. Probably order some green ones too later, but let me show you guys what I got. So stick around and stay tuned. Okay, let me find something to open this box with. My tree up here that I have yet to put back up. So as you can see, it's Bootstrap Farmer. I think it's bootstrapfarmer.com. Hope you guys can see me. All right. Oh God, it's a lot of them. I'm not gonna need no green. But these are the 3-inch sails, made in the USA. They got their little logo on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. The bottoms are open. I think I got I think it was 72 because they come with the little sale count thing. I'll show you that in a second. Let me move my mic stuff. But I got two and a half big old stacks. So I guess that's 50 and then 72. And then they have these little things. It's 5 of these where you stick them in those sale trays and they'll individually hold each cup, which is what I liked about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. So 18 will fit in each one of these. And it's 5 of them. I also got one, I don't know, I think this is 72 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, 72. It goes in these. It's pretty sturdy, but you can start, all of everything in one of these. All your seeds. It's a very long tray. The ones that I have is probably about from here to there with the dome that goes over top of it. So I got, I think, one of these, and then I got 4 more of these trays. I thought they came with the tops. Evidently they do not. That's why I bought them, because I thought they came with the top to put over them for to keep the heat in, the plastic dome top. I'll show you what I have for my other ones. But that's all I got. That was expensive for it not to come with those tops. I'm gonna go back and look at my order. I swore it came with that, but maybe I was just thinking it came with that or hoping. But anyway, let me show you what I have. Oops, sorry y'all. These are what I have. Humidity domes. Couldn't think of the name of it a few minutes ago. But put my seeds in there to start. And then once they start pop up, I open these until I'm getting ready to transfer them. Then I transfer them to those. I need to up pot those, which is what I'm going to do tomorrow. I might just put some of them out because they're cool weather crops, so they probably be just fine. And then these are my peppers that I started, and my onions. They're doing pretty good, except for they have all those little flying bugs everywhere. Anywho, But this is my setup station that I have. Nothing special, just some lights that I used to use for my other channel when I used to tape. I used to I think I used to use them in my kitchen before I got the bright lights. When I used to film, and I just got them hooked up here, and they're on a timer to come on at night, and they stay on until in the morning. And it's doing pretty good. I set these outside one day, and now they look horrible. These act like, they're dying. But I already have some stuff, so I just need to put these out before they all die. And then I'm going to start some more. I'm going to actually tomorrow take and do my onions in another pot so they can get a little bit bigger, like I did last year, and go from there and up pot some of this stuff as well that's grown, and plant some more stuff. I started my tomatoes. These are all my tomatoes back here. I think I have one that has popped up. Let's show you guys. Here we go. We have a Roma tomato there. I got some fenugreek that has come up. I think the Roma is the only thing that has come up as far as tomatoes are concerned. I don't think I see anything else. I got some mammoth basil there. Helen, I think her channel is Helen something. Oh, there's another one I think coming up right there. She had that mammoth basil last year, and I finally found it. I got a bunch of different types of peppers as well, and peppers are looking good. They have their true leaves, most of them, and I got each one of them individually labeled, which I didn't last year, and I got them mixed up somehow. But I still have a few more peppers left, but these are all eggplants and tomatoes, and then like stevia deal herbs going up through here and back down to there. I'm still trying to get my stevia to germinate. Have not had success with that. Last year I just ended up having to buy some at the store. And then over here, and this one I got flowers and rosemary. Have not had success growing rosemary. These little bugs is everywhere. I hope they don't get on my house plants. And then I got some more peppers here. 3 decided to come up in this one, and then 1 in that one. I'm going to separate each one of them though, put them in a pot by themselves. And then I have 2 chocolate peppers here that came up. Both of them came up. I planted 2 seeds in each one. And then that one is the shishito pepper, but it only has 1 leaf. So I don't know if you guys can see that. It has 1 leaf. Let me see if I can focus on it. 1 leaf. So I may have to plant some more. But that's the only pepper that didn't come up except for my habanero. But I just planted that one, so it's not ready yet. I got 1 ground cherry. I'm going to transfer that. And then I got 3 little baby ones that have come up. So I have 4. Tried to plant those last year. Didn't get any. This is a bell pepper that didn't come up. And then some spinach that didn't come up. I'm just going to sow them outside. I have spinach already outside, but I was just trying to get some more. And then this is another whole pot of rosemary, because I'm going to use rosemary this year as a bug deterrent, as well as amaranth and marigolds. Only one of my marigolds came up, so I have it in another pot in my living room with some amaranth, and I'm going to separate these and put them in little pots too. But that is it for my seeds starting. I started my tomatoes and stuff earlier than usual. This one, I haven't put anything in it. I'm just keeping it moist because I was going to plant some more stuff this weekend. And anywhere you don't see where you have the perlite on top of it, I've taken the stuff out and just putting more soil in it, but I haven't planted any seeds yet. So that is it. All right, guys, that is it for my seed starting and my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.